Can you believe it's winter already?
Yeah, for those of us in the northern hemisphere at least.
How do you like the freezing weather?
Love it, especially with my 3,000-year-old drink.
What? 3,000-year-old? You literally just made it.
Hello, welcome to Dr. Matt's Metabolic Kitchen. I'm Rishi.
And I'm Jiva. We are passionate about health and we follow Dr. Matt's metabolic strategies.
Metabolic strategies are methods such as fasting and ketogenic diets that induce a whole body metabolic state that optimizes mitochondria function.
Well, that's fascinating, but why such a hyper focus on mitochondria?
That's because they are integral to critical cell functions, including metabolism and cellular signaling, or perhaps in Dr. Matt's own words.
Although mitochondria are often seen as the batteries of cells, from a mitochondria-centric perspective, and this is the way I see it now, mitochondria is what we are made of primarily, not cells. Cells are just houses for mitochondria.
I love it.
That's an important mind shift. That's an important, it's an important mind shift.
In our previous videos, we talked about what the keto method entails and how anyone, regardless of dietary preferences, can easily do it.
That's right, Jiva, and that brings us into our next recipe, Keto Hot Chocolate.
What's so funny?
I think it's from all those doggone cocoa beans. Hey, by the way, did you guys know that chocolate contains a property that triggers the release of endorphins, gives one the feeling of being in love?
We all know that chocolate is made from the beans of the tropical cacao tree. But did you know that it was first cultivated by the Mayan, Toltec, and Aztec cultures of Mesoamerica over 3,000 years ago?
Yes, they believed that it helped preserve youth and had medicinal properties. And they were right. Cacao is rich in magnesium and several antioxidants. The ancient cultures even used it as currency and to reward soldiers.
The Aztecs liked to put chili peppers in hot cocoa and sip them from lavish cups and golden straws.
Modern chocolate making began in the 1800s, but it was not until the 1900s that chocolate became commonplace. Today, most of the world's cacao beans come from West Africa.
Today, we will make Keto Hot Chocolate from Dr. Matt's Metabolic Therapy Plan. This should be a quick and easy recipe to make. Enjoy.
To make hot chocolate, you will need 2/3 of a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed extra virgin coconut oil, melted. You can use melted butter as well. Today we're using coconut oil. 1/3 of a cup of canned coconut cream or substitute it with dairy cream. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of dark cocoa powder. We use cacao powder. It's less processed but comparatively bitter. And 1/2 teaspoon of Nadvia. We are using xylitol, which is also a natural sweetener.
First, boil the water. Then, add all the ingredients into a tall measuring jar. Blend all the ingredients together. From our experience, a hand blender works the best for hot liquids and it's safe. Pour into a mug and enjoy your hot chocolate.
Here, try some of this, it'll do you good. You look starved to death.
He's great.
Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. It means the world to us.
If you like our videos, please like and subscribe so that the people who need this see this.
Remember, anyone can do keto.
It's never too late to restore your health too. And let's do it with some hot chocolate this time.